Hi, my name is Mindy. This is my 2003 Honda Element, fondly named the Ninth Element. Oh, I didn't even clean up a little bit, so that's okay. It's van life. This is van life in the raw. So I have about 2,000 watts of power on board. I have two Blue Eddies. One is a 1,000, one is a 700, and then I have a watt fun that's 500. I also have, I believe it's a 100-watt panel that's hanging from the door right here. That's charging right now. I don't have a solid panel on top yet because I don't know what I want to go with. I've also been sponsored by Cascadia Vehicle Tents in Bend, Oregon. And this is a fabulous awning that comes out and makes it into a Hondominium.
I want to see that.
Oh, I got my underwear hanging up here too. No, he won't. I know he won't. This is the first version of the build, the Ninth Element Cube build. I designed this myself this winter, and I had a professional cabinet maker make it for me out of Oregon. On the Custom Fly Woodworking, you can link it in the description below and email him if you would like to get a custom Honda Element cabinet as well. But so this cube has cutouts for the batteries, and there's this large drawer for bigger gear, which we'll see on the other side. Right here is my dresser, just for clothing and things. Soft, oh, look at those stickers in there. Oh my goodness.
Just use the link down below.
And then soft close drawers. And I also have another 500-watt battery here too. I need a lot of power for editing and things like that. Just a regular 4-inch camp mattress on top of the frame. And then if we go around to the back, we can look at the check box and whatnot back here. So this is the top part of my kitchen. Pots and pans, spices, stove.
So I heard a rumor that you're a professional chef.
I am.
So you would imagine a professional chef is going to have all the best gear, and she definitely has it.
As well as bare bones dishes. So yeah, I love cooking, and I did go to school for it. I graduated from University of British Columbia in culinary in 1995. And then I finished my degree in Switzerland. So cooking is definitely a big passion of mine. So it's something that I didn't want to give up when I gave my house and my kitchen up. And being that I am living in this full time now, I do have quite a bit of stuff. This is my first week living in it, so I'm still working on edits. But you know, kitchen gear, I call this the kind of the morning coffee drawer. Food, and then just camp things, like everything you can imagine, like a wind protector made out of license plates, because you know, what else do you do with license plates from all the places that you've lived at? You make a wind protector. And then recovery gear, awnings, hammocks, screws. There's a shower and a bucket in there, so everything I need for all of that. And then moving around to the other side, again, I live in the Pacific, well, I reside a lot in the Pacific Northwest. It's May 9th today. It's still snowing up there, so I do have to be able to have room because winter gear is a lot bulkier. So, oh, and you have to have a swim noodle too, because, you know, if you hit the water. So, and then just more clothing, but you know, a lot of like sort of bigger clothing and whatnot. I still need to do edits and stuff, and that'll happen in the future. But you know, right now this is kind of like the dry run. So, and then the back here, I like to use stainless steel for water because plastic, you know, the toxins and stuff. And then liquor cabinet. You have to have a liquor cabinet. So you know, gin things, martini things.
What is your drink of choice?
Vodka martini on Fridays, or a G&T, or Pinot Gris, and red wines too. Yeah, but just a little bit. And then I have curtains to, you know, block it off. I made my own window coverings out of art foam cord board from the dollar store, and this is an emergency blanket that I picked up at Walmart, and Gorilla Tape. So that's my curtain now. And these are a year old. They're holding up pretty good. but I would like to do something different in the future.
I live by the saying, keep it simple, stupid.
Love
And-
it. I know you guys inspire me to be more of a minimalist, which is what I want to be. Like, I just downsized from an 1,100 square foot house on a third of an acre and a 500 square foot garage. I either gave away or sold everything except for a few pieces of furniture that I felt like I just absolutely wanted to keep for my new home when I decide to go back indoors, when I don't know when that is. And then, of course, all of my artwork and my kitchen stuff. So I do have a 5x10 storage unit still.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Where can we like learn more about your build and?
You can follow me on Ninth Element on YouTube. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Beautiful build.
Thank you.
I'm excited to like learn more about your adventures and this new journey that you're taking on.
Thank you, Stephen. It's been such a pleasure to meet you. I mean, I followed you on YouTube for the past year. I think we've been following each other and commenting. So thanks to Miguel, who got us all hooked up here with this little mini Honda Element meetup. And there's going to be more in the future, it sounds like, too. So follow all of us.
Ooh, that's exciting. Yeah, I'll leave the links down below in the description for all of that stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.